friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pepper rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and definitely an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a very fine powder. To this add 10 garlic pods, a few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies and a pinch of asafoetida. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn and mix well. Then add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Then off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious pepper rasam is ready. Very healthy and an immunity boosting recipe. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this healthy pepper rasam at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.